Hi everyone. So welcome all. So in this video we will be learning one of the string method called replace first. So the replace first method will be taking the string regex and the string replacement as parameters. Okay, this method is available in a string class which will be replacing the first substring of a current string that matches the given regular expression. So if the given regular expression is matched, we will be replacing the substring with the given replacement string. Okay, let's say an example. Okay, let's say let me take a one use case, actually real time use case. Let's say you are working an application where phone numbers are stored in various formats. Okay, and you want to mask the area code of the phone number. Okay, let's say you are working an application, and let me write the question first. Yeah, so are working you are working on an application where phone number where phone numbers are stored in various formats. What we have to do is we have to mask the area code. We have to mask the area code. Okay, we have to mask the area code, and we have to display the masked phone numbers. Okay, so this is the scenario actually. So let's copy this. Let's open my IntelliJ. Okay, okay, let me create a class in my IntelliJ. Let me create a class. I'll be giving the class as format. I'll be giving this as a phone book, or we can say that um, website with VIP contact numbers. Okay, I'll be giving the class name as that, and in that I'll be writing a method called formatting phone numbers. I'll be writing a method called formatting phone numbers, which will be taking the string and the which will be taking the string regex, and which will be taking the replacement string. Okay, so the two things it's taking, and this will return the string, and we want to, if we want to access publicly, we will be giving the public. Okay, so now I'll uh what I'll do is, let's say, here we have an input string. Let's read the input string. Okay, so what we will do is input string dot, and we'll say we want to replace the first we want to replace the first three digits of the phone number or contact number, you can say. So I'll say replace first replace first. So the replace first will be taking the regex, and it is also taking the replacement substring as a parameter, and this replace first will be returning the new string as a return type. Okay, let's go and create a client application for this. So let me create the client. Let me create the package first for this. So client apps. So I'll write the client apps inside this package. I'll say formatting website VIP website VIP contacts contacts client app. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll be giving a name over here. So now what I'll do is I'll be creating an object of website VIP contact numbers, and I'll say numbers equals to new website VIP numeric numbers. Now what I'll do is I'll use a scanner. I'll try to read the values from the console. Scanner equals to new scanner, and I have to system dot in over here, and this scanner is available in the Java util package. Let's import that java.util scanner semicolon. Cool. So now we have imported the scanner class. Now what I'll do is we have to read the three values, right? So here we have to pass the input string and we have to pass the regex, okay, and we have to pass the replacement. Okay, if you want to give the let's give the default regex. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me give the default regex. Let's not read the regex from the okay from the scanner. What I'll do is I'll give the regex default regex. I'll create a private static final. I'll say because it is a constant, right? So I have to give default. The constant should be written in uppercases. Default regex. So what I want is I want to replace the first three digits. So if you want to replace the digits, you have to use the slash d. Okay, double slash you have to use it, and how many number of digits first digits you want to replace it. So let's say I want to replace it three. Okay, let's give this one, and this is a string, right? So you have to give a string over here. Cool. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. So now what I'll do is I'll give this regex default regex over here. If the string matches that regex, so then it will be replacing that regex with the input we are inserting over here. So let's say enter. So I'll be writing a sys out. I'll say enter the replacement and into the replacement string. Okay. So I'll say scanner dot next line. I'll read the replacement into a string. I'll say string replacement. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll again use this out. I'll say enter the input string. Enter the input string. Okay. Let me enter the input string. I'll say string input string equals to scanner dot next and line, and this will give the input string. That's fine. So now what I'll do is okay in scanner dot next line. So this will read the input string. Now what you have to do is you have to make a call to the method which is available in your VIP website. So now I'll say numbers dot, I'll make a call to the formatting phone numbers. So here what we have to do, we have to pass the input string and the replacement. Let's pass the input string and let's pass the replacement string as well. So both we are passing. Okay, so let's see this one, and here this formatting string will return the type as string. So let's see. So string, I'll say replaced string. Okay, and here I'll write SOT replaced string plus replaced string. Good. So now replaced replaced string. That's fine. So now what I'll do is I'll just run this one. So before I ran it, let's discuss what we have done. So we have created a website VIP contact numbers class, and we have created a method which will be formatting the phone numbers. Okay. So the how formatting the phone numbers, and we will be formatting the phone numbers in such a way that the first three digits should be the VIP. I can say that the first three digits should be masked, and the rest of the phone number should be as it is. Okay, so let's copy. Sorry, let me do one thing. I have written the question over here in my notepad. Let me copy that question. The scenario, can say a question. You can say just copy it from a notepad and just paste it over here. Okay, fine. So now you got it. So you got it. Fine. So now you are working on an application where phone numbers are stored in various formats, and we are like masking the area code, and we have to display the masked phone numbers. That's what we are doing over here. That's fine. So let's go here. Let's run this application. So we'll be expecting to enter some data. Okay. So here you can see. So it is asking a replace string. I want to replace with the star. Okay, three stars with the three digits. I want to replace with three stars. Okay, so I given three stars and the replacement string. I will say that the input string is. I'll give the phone number 084 08494 250 Okay, so this is my area code and this is my phone number. Okay, so let's see. So now see here, the replace string is we are replacing the first three digits, then we are giving the phone number as it is. Okay, I hope um, I hope you people understood this replacement first method. Okay, replace first method. What it will be doing? It will be taking the regex and the replacement as a parameter, and like we will be replacing the in replacing the input string once it is matches the given once it is matches the given regex. Okay, if it is matching the given regex, so then we will be replacing that string of we will be replacing the string with the input string of substring. Okay, substring of input string, we can say that. Okay, so that's all. So we will be seeing then one more method in the next video. Until then, please like, share, subscribe, and comment to my videos. And your help, like your subscription or your views will motivate me to do more videos on it. Okay, thank you guys.